Hi guys, this is Rosalind Lewis coming to you from JP and Associates Realtors Carolina Living here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And today I am starting a new series that is geared towards my future home buyer clients, and I'm going to help you answer the most pressing question that you have. My first question to my buyer clients is usually, have you been pre-approved? But many buyers really do not want to get pre-approved until they have an idea of what type of home they can afford for what they're currently paying in rent, because that is what they're most comfortable with right now. So today I'm going to start with the monthly payment of $1,400 that you may be paying in rent. If you are currently spending $1,400 in Charlotte, North Carolina for rent, or if you're paying $1,400 or more elsewhere and you are considering relocating to this area, what kind of home can you afford? Where can you live? And what will your payments look like? I am going to answer those three questions in this video. So let us get started now. These are the type of home you can afford here in Charlotte. If you are currently paying $1,400 a month rent here in Charlotte, or you are considering relocating to Charlotte and your rent payment is $1,400 a month, you can afford a house that costs $240,000. Now that may come as a shock to you, but these homes are beautiful. They are great homes for first-time buyers and great investment properties. After you have lived here a few years, then you may want to upgrade to a bigger home or to another community in the area. And you can use this as a great investment rental property and more than likely rent out for more than $1,400 that you're currently paying for that mortgage. If you use an FHA loan, then you can expect to be paying $1,414 a month. Now this is more than $1,400 a month. However, this is including mortgage insurance, which is what you most likely will have to include if you have an FHA loan. Now, the FHA loan that I'm quoting is with a 3% interest rate. This includes interest, taxes, and insurance, as well as the principal, and we call that PITI, P-I-T-I. And then if you have your mortgage insurance at the end, it is called PITIMI. This is also taking into consideration that you put down 3.5% on the loan, which is what an FHA loan program requires. So keep that in mind, because a 1414 mortgage is good. That is a good interest rate. If you do go out and you get a loan that is slightly higher, you can use some money to buy down the interest rate up to 3%. And that would get you at the $1,400 a month. I also included HOA because it's a lot of these homes will have a HOA dues each month. So if your neighborhood does not have an HOA, that would be about $60 a month saved and will get you at the $1,354. If you decide to use a conventional loan, again, that is 3% interest and 3% down, then you can get a payment that is below $1,400. And the payment for a conventional loan is looking more like $1,275. That is without mortgage insurance. So there's many conventional products out there. There's a 1% down, a 0% down, 3%, 5%. And in this example, I use 3% because it's closer to the 3.5% that is required for an FHA loan. And I wanted to compare apples to oranges in this situation so you could get a really good way to compare the two products. Again, I put in HOA and your homeowners association fee of $60 a month. If you found a home that does not have FHA, then your payment would be $1,275. So you can afford a $240,000 home here in Charlotte if you are currently paying $1,400 a month in rent. This is important information to know when it comes to affordability, because a lot of times people do not know what they can afford. So they get stuck in the cycle of renting. Now, there is one big disclaimer that I do want to put out there. And that is currently here in Charlotte, the median sales price of a home is $315,000. And that is from the Charlotte Region Canopy Realtor Association as of May 2021. And $240,000 is not a less than 315. That means the home price at 240 will be extremely hot on the market, meaning they will not last long. They will have a lot of interest, especially if they are move-in ready. And obviously the price is very affordable. And we have a little bit of a housing affordability crisis going on right now. So if you are approved for $240,000 in Charlotte, it is important for you to move very quickly on that home. You would want to spend the time to get that pre-approval letter before and be ready to put an offer in right away on that home, only if that home meets all of your needs. So if you found this information useful, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I am planning to do more videos like this one on different rent payments of $1,500, $2,000, etc. Just to help you guys get an idea, get over that mystery of what I can afford so that you can have a visual of what it's like here in Charlotte in this market. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video.